All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So better, better. Something slightly increase, a slight increase. When one thing is higher quality than another. Yeah. This book is better than this one. So this book is better than this one. This one really good. But this one's okay. This is really good though. Yeah. Yeah. I can see better with glasses. See, I can't see, but I can see better with glasses. Ah, much better. Much better. Much better. How cool is that? So, this book is better than that one. They expected that film to be better than the other. I know a better film than this. The book is a lot better than the film. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I know a better place to go. She wants a better hat. He needs a better anything. Better pen. They all want better things. It will work better now. It should work better now that it is sunny outside. Yeah, it should work better. How cool is that? We went to the better restaurant last night. I like to always have a better hat than the previous. Yeah. How cool is that? Isn't she drinking the better tea now? Yeah. I like the better one instead. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? I think he will get better in the future. Yeah, so my Spanish is always getting better and improving. Every day it is a little better than yesterday. A little better than yesterday. Each day. Yeah, better all the time. Better all the time. It is better all the time. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so better. My sight is better with glasses. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use better in a sentence? Write it in the comments below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.